bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5.
Can I transform my natural hair into this protective hairstyle? Well, let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification to know anytime I post a new video. So guys, you guys know me already. If you don't know me, my name is Anastasia. I'm a DIY girly and this is me trying to create a beautiful protective hairstyle for my virgin hair. Guys, you see this is my natural hair. I have low porosity hair, and one tip I will give you if you are a low porosity hair is to always moisturize your hair very well anytime you want to start your braids. So I decided to just do these 3 braids at the back before I do the Ghana weaving. And guys, do you know why I love protective styles? You can look at my front hair, you see that my front hair is, you can't say my front hair is that healthy, but you know, anytime I make Ghana weaving, that can, you know, there are some type of Ghana weavings that can draw out your front hair, and then there are some ones like protective hairstyles that can help keep them intact, and you can also moisturize your hair while you are on the protective hairstyle. So we are done with the back, and then I went ahead to divide my hair into 2 so that I will be very careful when parting the back. You guys, I don't want my braids to be hanging. Even if anyone has to hang, let it be one. You understand? You know that type of braid that will always hang at the back. It is not beautiful at all. So that is why I will advise you to always divide your hair into 2 so that you can be able to manage the back hair on how to pick them.
It's any cocolet, and I'm a DIY girly. I do my beauty my own way. Soft life, but I make it myself. Yeah. In my room, mirror light shining bright. Got my braids laid down just right. No salon stress, I'm in my zone, turning my space into a beauty home. I do my lashes, I do my hair, cute little vibes floating in the air. Every style I create with love, glow so soft like I'm sent from above. I don't wait, I create, pretty hands I design my fate. Every look I elevate, DIY girly I celebrate. I'm a DIY girly, I do it myself. Hair on fleek, I don't need no help. Soft and cute, I'm a whole vibe too. Everything pretty, I design my mood. I'm a DIY girly, watch me shine. Every braid, every lash is mine. Glow so cozy, feeling so free. That's the life of any cocolet, that's me. Soft life, beauty, self-made glow. DIY girly, and I steal the show. It's any cocolet. Got it, here's a cozy soft life. DIY girly, I do my beauty my own way. Soft life, but I make it myself. In my room, mirror light shining bright. Got my braids laid down just right. No salon stress, I'm in my zone, turning my space into a beauty home. I do my lashes, I do my hair, cute little vibes floating in the air. Every style I create with love, glow so soft like I'm sent from above. I don't wait, I create, pretty hands I design my fate. Every look I elevate, DIY girly I celebrate. I'm a DIY girly, I do it myself. Hair on fleek, I don't need no help. Soft and cute, I'm a whole vibe too. Everything pretty, I design my mood. I'm a DIY girly, watch me shine. Every braid, every lash is mine. Glow so cozy, feeling so free. That's the life of any cocolet, that's me. Soft life, beauty, self-made glow. DIY girly, and I steal the show.
Imagine you're here, I'm looking up at the door. I'm a better man with your love than without. Stuck in the cell, I may never make it out. In the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. just a little. Take me along the way. Won't you visit? Won't you stop by to stay? I'm a better man with your love than without. In the sea, I may never make it out.
So guys, this is our final look. What do you think about this protective hairstyle? Let me know if you'll be trying it in the comments, and how did you think I did? I hope I did very well, because this is my first time of actually braiding my hair Ghana weaving all through. Guys, my hands were on fire, but you know now, DIY girlies, we don't give up. Anything we start to finish. If you like this video and there are other couple of videos of my DIY hairs, I'm going to attach some of them to this video, so you can just click on it and watch after watching this video, or kindly check the playlist anywhere around this video so that you can watch other of my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.